Donald Trump shuts US doors for immigrants from 75 countries. That's right. The Trump administration has just dropped a bombshell. A total indefinite pause on immigrant visa processing is coming, and it is going to affect 75 countries. You're watching Times XP. It's me, Dhrithi Yatri, and let's dwell what really this means. Starting 21st January, immigrants from these countries will no longer be able to apply for visas to live in the United States, not for permanent residency, not for green card. Legal entry routes are being slammed shut. And wait, why is this happening? Well, the Trump administration says that it wants to stop abuse of the system. They claim some immigrants exploit welfare and public benefit, taking advantage of the American people. In fact, State Department spokesperson Tommy Pigott, he says that we will use our authority to deny visas to anybody likely to become a public charge and take advantage of the US generosity. Now, the important part, who is being hit here? Countries already under strict restrictions like Brazil, Iran, Russia, and Somalia. They all are included, but now the order expands to 75 nations, with the full list under wrap here. Well, this move is unprecedented in scope, affecting millions of potential immigrants worldwide. And wait, what about tourists and business visitors? Non-immigrant visas like tourist or business visas, they are not affected by anybody who's seeking to move permanently to the US, including green cards and asylum applicants. They face massive delays or maybe outright denial. But yes, the context behind this decision, that is very important. Since Trump returned to the office, immigration has been a key factor. His administration has tightened borders, restricted refuge admissions, and paused immigrant visas from countries that are seen as national security threats. In fact, after a shooting in Washington, D.C. by an Afghan immigrant in November, Trump banned or maybe limit entry from 19 countries. By December, this expanded further, including Palestinian authorized issued travel documents. Now, that is a dramatic escalation here. Now, for green card applications, citizenship process, and asylum claims, everything has been paused or delayed. Now, for families hoping to reunite in the US, dreams are on hold indefinitely. So, here are the key takeaways, ladies and gentlemen. This isn't just immigration policy, it's a global warning. The US is locking its doors now. Legal entry, permanent residency, and immigrant visas are under historic scrutiny. The world is watching, millions are waiting, and the countdown begins 21st January.